Viewers, the SIR exercise is underway in states and union territories going to polls next year. It is a process to clean up the voter list. The idea is to include all eligible voters and remove infiltrators or those who are not eligible. Just like Bihar, the process is being opposed tooth and nail in states where the exercise is underway by the opposition. Let's begin with Jharkhand. Now, Jharkhand's Health Minister Irfan Ansari is openly provoking people to block the SIR exercise. He has stoked a big controversy, saying that if any booth-level officer approaches them or reaches their house with SIR-related queries, then they should not hesitate in locking them up and then calling him. Listen in.
ये भाजपा के लोग SIR आपका जो वोट है काट रहा है, आपका वोटर लिस्ट से नाम काट रहा है, आपका आधार कार्ड से नाम काट रहा है। बिहार में 65 लाख सोचिए आप, हमारा वोट को काट दिया। 65 लाख का मतलब होता है 80 विधानसभा छीन लिया हमसे। बंगाल में से SIR लागू कर रहा है और उसके बाद झारखंड में करेगा। मैं आप सबको कहना चाहता हूं, एकदम अगर कोई नाम आपका काटने के लिए आए, अगर कोई आपका नाम अगर पूछने के लिए आए, वैसे पदाधिकारी को गेट पे बंद कर दीजिएगा, ताला मार दीजिएगा, मैं खोलूंगा।
And viewers, Bharatiya Janata Party launched a scathing attack on Congress Neta and Jharkhand Health Minister Irfan Ansari. BJP netas say a case should be filed against him. He should be arrested and tried for treason for provoking people to oppose this exercise. BJP netas also say that this is just an exercise to escape defeat. This kind of provocation is actually an excuse to escape defeat. Listen in.
राहुल गांधी, तेजस्वी यादव, प्रियंका, सब लोगों ने SIR को लेकर के सड़कों पे नौटंकी की, लेकिन जनता ने आईना दिखा दिया। दूसरी बात है कि इरफान अंसारी को ही बंद कर देना चाहिए, देशद्रोह का मुकदमा करना चाहिए, जो कानून को न माने।
Now, viewers, threatening election commission and not allowing the poll panel to do its job is not new in the Congress party. Remember how leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi himself has many a time stated that EC won't escape consequences of alleged vote theft. Listen in.
इलेक्शन कमीशन वोट चोरी में इन्वॉल्व है और मैं लाइटली नहीं बोल रहा हूं, मैं 100% प्रूफ के साथ बोल रहा हूं। किसके लिए करा रहा है, किसके लिए करा रहा है? बीजेपी के लिए करा रहा है। जो हमें मिला है वो एटम बॉम्ब है, मतलब एटम बॉम्ब है, फटेगा तो आप इलेक्शन कमीशन आपको दिखेगा नहीं हिंदुस्तान में। इलेक्शन कमीशन में जो भी ये काम कर रहे हैं, राइट फ्रॉम द टॉप टू द बॉटम, आप एक बात याद रखिए, आपको हम छोड़ेंगे नहीं। रिटायर्ड हो, कुछ भी हो, ठीक है, हम आपको ढूंढ के निकालेंगे।
झारखंड के एक मंत्री इरफान अंसारी यह पब्लिकली बोलते हैं कि यदि कोई बूथ लेवल ऑफिसर केवल तुमसे जानकारी लेने के लिए आए तो उसे बंधक बना लो। मैं पूछना चाहता हूं इंडी गठबंधन वालों से, यह लोकतंत्र को बंधक बनाने का निंदनीय प्रयास है या नहीं?
Congress Neta Sandeep Dixit, however, condemned the statement by Irfan Ansari, saying that he shouldn't have made such a statement and it should be taken back. Listen.
ये गलत है। देखिए विरोध करिए, विरोध कर सकते हैं, आप लोगों में चेतना जगाइए, उसको समझाइए, लेकिन कोई मंत्री कहे कि किसी सरकारी अधिकारी को अपने दायित्व में रोकना, वो गलत बात है। मुझे लगता है उन्हें इन शब्दों को वापस लेना चाहिए। दूसरा, मैं एक और चीज आपसे पूछना चाह रहा हूं ना, आपने 60 लाख वोटर कम किए बिहार में, इसमें घुसपैठिए कितने थे? कोई नंबर तो होगा?
Moving on, viewers, on one hand, there is constant fear-mongering by the opposition on the SIR process in West Bengal. On the other hand, there are several discrepancies in existing voter lists that are making, in fact, a solid case for the need of a voter list cleansing. Sample this. Now, amid the voter list revision process, a startling irregularity came to fore. It was found that the name of a 70-year-old woman appears in 44 different voter lists across Bengal. It happened in Durgapur, and this discrepancy emerged during the revision process in West Burdwan district. Now, Maya Rani Goswami is that 70-year-old woman who is an original voter of 47 number para. She got to know about the anomaly after scanning the QR code printed on her SIR form. The scan revealed that her name was listed as a voter in 44 separate assembly constituencies across the state. And in fact, viewers, this triggered a war of words between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress. BJP leader Jitendra Tiwari accused the ruling TMC of orchestrating this discrepancy, alleging a deliberate attempt to inflate the number of voters. Rejecting the allegations, TMC's Kirti Azad said that it is the Election Commission that is responsible for this lapse. Listen in.
आज इलेक्शन कमीशन उसको करने में सक्षम नहीं है, इसलिए एसआर बंद होना चाहिए। महीने का नहीं, ये साल भर के से लंबे का काम है और बीजेपी चाह रही है कि जल्दी जल्दी हो जाए, जिससे जो लोग नहीं करेगा उस पर वो लोग अपना नाम डाल देगा।
যত দু নম্বরই ভাবে নাম ঢুকিয়েছিল সব ইলেকশন কমিশন কেটে দিচ্ছে এবং এইটা যদি না থাকতো তাহলে 2021-এ ওরা অনেক ভোটে হারতো। এসব করে ওরা চুরি করে জিতেছিল আর জিতার পরেও চুরি করেছিল। পাণ্ডবেশ্বরে 2021-এ তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস চুরি করে জিতেছিল আর জিতার পরেও 5 বছর চুরি করেছে।
Let's now go across to my colleague Hridita, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Hridita, of course, this entire case has ignited a political war of words. But tell us, how could something like this happen? One woman and her name is there in 44 different voter lists.
Well, absolutely. Even this woman was taken into shock when she got to know that her name was listed in 44 other constituencies across Bengal. The name of the lady, of the 70-year-old, is Maya Rani and her husband's name is Gaur. And when the QR number or the QR scan was printed, she got to know that along with one booth where she is registered correctly, which is the DVC Para of Baidyanathpur, where she is the actual voter of that area. She, apart from that, other 43 constituencies, her name was also enlisted too. When the woman got to know, she told that she is not aware because given to her age, it is very abnormal, and she has been living in that very area of Baidyanathpur for over 35 years now, and she has also not travelled because the main earning of her family remains to farming. So now this is a very abnormal instance that had come up front, where we get to understand that her name was listed in 44 other constituencies. This ghostly activity, when BJP is stating that it has been done under the eyeballs of TMC to enlist fake votes under her name. On that other side, we see TMC is bombasting the party, the opposition, and the ECI stating it is a discrepancy from the ECI side.
All right. Thank you very much, Hridita. Appreciate you joining us with your inputs on the story. We will slip into another very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Don't go anywhere.